Welcome to the Meaningful Leader Newsletter, YouTube edition. At Level 52, we had a request to dive deeper into the content of our newsletters. So we've created this YouTube playlist where I will be speaking about the same important topics that we write about in our monthly newsletter. Here's what they are. First, we talk about what leaders are asking. As you can imagine, we get several questions from leaders asking about how they best navigate the inherent chaos in the world of leadership. Well, we choose one of those questions each month that we think you'll find interesting, and we expand on it. The next one is different ways to think. We all make up rules about ourselves, our business, and our lives. And while they may have served us at some point, we are obligated to challenge the way we see things and think differently. It's one of the things that clients hire me to do as their executive coach. For example, as Mark Twain said, it's not what you don't know that will hurt you. It's what you know for sure that just ain't so. So this section is intended to invite you to think differently. Consider it an exercise in thought diversity. Next, we have what we call the laboratory. This is where we experiment. I share experiments I'm undertaking, or experiments we're doing at Level 52, or experiments worth conducting yourself. Some of these experiments are true game changers, and some of them fizzle. But I believe it's important to always be experimenting, at least with something. It's an essential part of a meaningful leader operating system, something that I reference in my book, The Science Behind Success. Next, we have what we call a question to ponder. This is an inquiry. Think about it as a really big question to soak into and reflect on. Reflection is a master skill for meaningful leaders, and I share questions either I'm pondering or questions clients of ours have chosen to ponder themselves. These are an invitation to see yourself in a different light, so then you can choose consciously. And lastly, we have our BTW. These are the by the ways, the updates on upcoming events and webinars so that you can stay in touch to get the latest content that we're providing to help leaders create maximum impact while they seek to solve their most frequent and painful problems. Without further ado, let's get into the first topic.